Welcome to Technomath, where you can find mathematical shortcut tips and tricks and computer tricks. Click here to subscribe the channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn non-verbal reasoning part 1 figure questions. So in this part 1 we are going to learn the kind of figures having same objects at the different locations. So we'll get to the part same objects at the different locations part later. First we'll see what kind of questions you may be asked in these non-verbal reasoning figure questions. So if you look at the first figure, you will be given a series of 5 different figures, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, denoted by A, B, C, D, E, and based on these random figures you need to find out what will be the 6th figure in this series. Okay, so in order to find out, you need to analyze all these 5 figures, and you will be given 5 different options from which you need to choose the correct answer. So the 6th figure, our 6th figure will be among these 5 figures. Okay, now let's get to the part same objects with different locations. So in this part 1 we are going to learn the same kind of types, these same types. So if you analyze these 5 figures, all the 5 objects are same, that is square, triangle, question mark, cross symbol, and is equal to. All the 5 objects are same in all the 5 figures. Okay, so that's what same objects, and with different locations, at different locations. It means that all the objects are at different locations in each of the figures. Okay, so now let's analyze the first figure. If you analyze the square in the first figure, that is in A, it's at the top corner position, top left corner position, and if you analyze it in the second figure, it goes to top right figure, top right corner. Okay, so the pattern is AB, they will be combined, then CD, they will be combined, then EF will be combined figure. So analyze AB. Square moves from top left to top right. Now analyze CD. Is equal to moves from top left to top right. So if you analyze E, the triangle from top left will be moved to top right in our next figure. Okay, so analyze the answer. Where is the triangle at top right corner? It's in the second, third. So our answer will be among this second. I'll make it in bold, and third. Okay, now analyze the second figure, second object, that is triangle. Triangle is at the top right corner in the first figure, and it goes to bottom left corner in the second figure. In the same manner, analyze CD. Question mark is on top right corner. In the second figure, it moves to bottom left corner. In the same manner, this cross symbol is at top right corner, and in the next figure it will goes to bottom left corner, right? So among these 2 figures, where is the cross at bottom left corner? It's in second figure. So we have to eliminate this 3. So our answer is second. Now you don't need to analyze the other objects because we already got the answer. Let's move to the second figure. Here also 5 figures are there, and you need to find out the 6th figure in the series from these 5 multiple options. Let's analyze AB. Triangle is at the same position in both the figure. Circle is at the same position in both the figure in C and D. So the is equal to symbol will be at the same position in E and the next figure. So among these 5 figures, there is only one figure where is equal to is the same position as E, that is second figure. So we got the answer in the first attempt. Let's move to the third figure. Let's analyze the first pair of figures, first pair of boxes, that is AB. So if you analyze C, C is at the top left corner, which moves to middle right. Okay. Now if you analyze CD, the arrow is at the top left corner in C, and in the D it moves to middle in the right column. Okay. In the E it will be the same. Circle is at the top left corner, it will move to the middle right hand column. So where is the kind of figure? It's second, it's the third, and it's the fifth, right? Now let's analyze this another figure. If you analyze cross, it's at the same position in A and B. If you analyze S in the C and D, it's at the same position in both the figures. So square will be at the same position in E and the next figure. So which among these bold boxes 2, 3 and 5, the square is at the same position as E? In second, no. In third, it is. And in E, in fifth, it's not. So our answer is 3. Let's move to the next example, that is, let's analyze A and B. So in A, cross is at the top left corner, it moves to the top right corner. In B, analyze C and D, is equal to is at the top left corner, and in D it moves to top right corner. In E, circle or O is at the top left corner, so in our answer figure it will move to top right corner. So among these 5, we are having 3 figures matching our criteria, having circle at the top right corner. So I'll mark them with bold. Let's analyze another figure, that is circle. Circle is at the top right corner, it moves to bottom right corner in B, next figure. C is at the top right corner, it moves to bottom right corner in D. Again, S is at the top right corner, so in our answer figure it will move to bottom right corner, right? So among these 3, we are having 2 figures matching our criteria, having S at the bottom right corner. So we'll eliminate these 2. Analyze the next figure. Equals to is at the bottom left corner, it moves to the middle. And next, O is at the bottom left corner, it moves to the middle. Next, C is at the bottom left and it will move to the middle in our answer figure. So among these 2, the 4th image matches with our criteria, having C in the middle. So we'll eliminate 3 and our answer is 4. Let's move to final 2 figures. Analyze A and B. S is at the top right corner, and in our next S is at the top left corner. In next figure it moves to bottom right corner. Triangle is at the top left corner, it moves to bottom right corner in the next figure. Is equal to is at the top left corner in E, so in our answer figure it will move to the bottom right corner, right? So among these 5 figures we are having 2 figures matching our criteria, having equals to at the bottom right corner. Analyze some other figure now. So if you notice here, all the figures having the same position except this and this. So let's see. If you see this circle, square symbol is in the bottom middle, it moves to the top middle. In C, star is in the bottom middle, it moves to top middle in next figure. So arrow is at the bottom middle, and in our next figure it will move to the top middle. So among these two, 5th figure matches our criteria, having arrow in the top middle. And the last figure, S is at the top left in A, it moves to bottom left in B. Dark circle is at top left, it moves to bottom left in next figure. And star is at the top left, it will move to bottom left in our answer. So we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 figure matches our criteria. In the 5th, it's the bottom right. Analyze the next figure, C. C is at the top right corner, it moves to top left. In C, S is at the top right, it moves to top left in D. So in E, dark circle is at the top right, and it will move to the top left in our next figure. So if you analyze among these 4 figures, every figure is having dark circle as at the top left position. Analyze the next figure. Cross is at the bottom left corner, and it moves to bottom right in B. C is at the bottom left, it moves to bottom right in D. S is at the bottom left, so in our answer figure it will move to bottom right. So among these 3, 3rd figure matches our criteria, having S is at the bottom right corner. So eliminate 1, 2 and 4. So answer is 3. Watch out for the second part of non-verbal reasoning by clicking on the below link. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Please share it and post your valuable comments in the below comment box. If you want to find out some more videos, please visit this YouTube channel. And do not forget to press the subscribe button here to get the future updates. Thank you.